Hi, welcome everyone for another video on MCPE Block Hunt mini game. On this video, we are going to talk about the fun stuff, customization. Support customization is one of the important feature of Block Hunt mini game. After all, this is Minecraft, so everyone is a good builder. Alright, on this video we are going to cover 4 main topics, starting with basic layout, change game configurations, modify existing map, replace it with new map, and lastly, how to do multi-world setup. Let's start with basic elements in Block Hunt. We have the map for the game, hider spawn location, seeker room, exit sign, join sign, plus the mini store shop. And the map is split into arena section and game center section. Block Hunt come with following configurations files to control different game settings. 1. Arenas. All basic arena settings stored here. The default arena come with this game is called Backyard. The arena settings control most of the gameplay settings such as time to release seekers, number of players allowed to be seeker, or hider, and spawn location for seeker or hiders. 2. Defense. Specify game center protected position. 3. Item cases. Mini shop items. Here you can specify the items you like to see in the shop, and their price. 4 kits. For seeker and hider kits, which specify the items for seeker and hider. 5. Nicely, config. This is the main configuration file which specify the server lobby. This is a good start. Now we know how and where the game control settings are stored in plugin folder. Here's a demo of the game settings on my test server. Under the main config file, I have the server lobby world name, lobby location, lobby sign, and Block Hunt home location and world name as well. The default setting values for single world configuration, for server lobby and Block Hunt home location is usually the same. This is the default setting ship with a game. In case of multi-world, these settings will be different. We will talk about more of these later on multi-world setup. Arena. In this case the default arena name is Backyard. This is the most important configuration file. This file holds the key settings for the map. The name of the file is the arena name. They must match. You can personalize the values of this file configuration to your own preference. Next we are going to talk about the key parameters. What are the parameters and values I am allowed to change? Let's talk about this by examples. Here's list of most frequent changes and parameters. Change game default timeout value. Change seeker release time. Change countdown value. Change minimal and maximum player allow in the arena to play. You can also change minimal allow players per team, and the blocks that player allowed to change for this map. You can also change location and size of the arena +1 and +2, and change home location when player exit the game. You can set this location manually if you are comfortable to do or use the admin commands. You can change seeker and hider spawn location using the commands or manually modify this file. To change hider and seeker join sign and stat sign location. This can be done manually or use simple sign commands. For item cases configuration, you can directly modify the file contained for the items, price and quantity, or add new cases, by making and copy the existing one and update the unique ib so will not cause conflict. Here is a demo of move join sign to a new location and activate it, using sign command. On this demo I move join sign for seeker, hider and stats to a new location using sign commands. For example, to activate seeker sign, in line number 1 I put lock hunt, line number 2 seeker, line number 3 arena name, in this case backyard, and same for hider sign. In line number 1 I put lock hunt, line number 2 hider, line number 3 arena name, in this case backyard, and do the same for stat sign. Here's a demo of change the seeker's door opening position to another location. For example, instead of open the door facing north, I move the door opening to face east. To do this I use a special command /bh seeker door want arena name, in this case backyard. After issue this command, select position 1 and position 2, then I am done. Restart the server to test this. Next, let's try to set a new location for arena lobby. This is where players return after exit the arena. Some handy commands. BHZs, display player current location. BH blockon, turn on display block location player touch. BH block off, turn off display block location player touch. You can change the size of existing arena, anytime. Just remember, update your configuration using Arena 1 selection commands. Here's a demo where I expand the size of the arena, and update configuration settings using Arena 1, then select position 1, then position 2 for the new arena size. Let's modi the swap location of seekers and hiders. The command for seekers is /bh seeker arena name, and command for hider is /bh sif hider arena name. Both command use player current location as the selection position. For Multiworld setup, where you have an existing server lobby, and want to plug in Block Hunt minigame on a separate world. You can use 2 sign commands to do this. Before do that, please make sure in config file have the correct world name and position you want to go. Here is an example of the configuration file with Multiworld configurations look like. Last thing I would like to cover is map content replacement. Yes, you are absolutely right. Please feel free to replace the map content with your own build. The defense is the protection cover the game center where player cannot hurt each other. You can change the size or location in defense configuration file. Please don't forget to pick up latest updates. They are free to download game if you already make a purchase. Thank you, have a nice day.